Guys, Simon here from the Overlanders. Just want to take you through the way that the tent is fixed to the roof rack and the different brackets that are available to do that. Basically based on how wide the load bar is. So this is the standard bracket that's supplied with the tent. And the way it works is there's a C channel underneath the tent that's molded into the base. I'll show you a picture of that. This bracket slides into the C channel. This U-shaped bolt is already sitting in place. And then this one comes underneath your load bar or platform rack, load bar, whatever it is, and bolts to the tent. So there's 4 of these with each tent. So that's simple and nice to use. The U-shaped bolts sort of hold everything in place. It comes with a nylock nut. So if you have a wider load bar, then you need a wider bracket to span it. So these come in a variety of different lengths. We'll show you the different lengths that are available. And it's the same thing really, but you have this longer bracket with a square hole. The bolt has got a square shaft underneath the head there, and that stops the bolt from spinning. And then this thicker plate will sit underneath your rack, like so. There's a pair of bolts, of course. So that's a solid piece of steel that is not going to go anywhere. It's not going to give you any flex. That's a solid way to fix the tent. So there is we'll show you, we'll put a link to it as well. Front Runner do a really nice quick release bracket, which enables you to lift the tent off the rack really easily. The other thing we've got here from Autohome is this really beautifully made security set. So it's a specially designed nut that sits at the base of the bolt. So that nut sits at the base of the bolt, and you use this tool, lightweight sort of cast aluminium tool, really nicely made. So that tool is what you use to fasten the nut tight. It's a great little design. You won't get a vice grip or anything on to grab that nut. So once it's clamped up, it's pretty secure. So if you're leaving a tent on a vehicle that's parked on the street, or you have any security concerns, then that's a nice thing to get. So there's the range of Autohome stuff for clamping to your roof rack. Thanks.